Black is traditional. But if you'd prefer pink, or vermilion, or chartreuse. Though you might make me jealous.
No way! You're not sewing buttons in my eyes!
Oh, but we need a yes if you want to stay here.
So sharp you won't feel a thing. Ow!
There now. It's your decision, darling. We only want what's best for you.
I'm going to bed. Right now.
Bed?
Before dinner?
I'm really tired, yeah. I just need to sleep on things.
Well, of course you do, darling. I'll be happy to tuck you in.
Oh, no thanks. You've done so much already.
You're welcome. And we aren't worried at all, darling. Soon you'll see things our way.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I created this The Other Mother look from Coraline. First thing first, I used a face paint from iMagic Cosmetics and ambil warna putih tu and paint all over your face. Lepas tu to set this face paint, you're gonna need a talc ataupun bedak, tak kisahlah apa-apa pun. Then you sapu atas your face to make it more pekat colour dia. Then I took a black cream gel eyeliner, this is from Can Make, to draw my fake eyebrows like The Other Mother. Then I fill it in to make it more garang. I use a black eyeshadow to contour her face. So dia punya black tu supaya nampak lebih macam cengkung and garang. And memang dalam Coraline punya cerita tu, dia masa dia jadi hantu tu dia jadi black and white. Then I use the same black gel liner to construct her very thin chin, her very thin skinny face. Okay, so this will make your face look more slimmer. You just need a black shadow and black liner, and then just potong your pipi over there. Color your lids with black eyeshadow also. Using the same black liner, trace your lips with it and then color it as your lipstick. And add a mole above your lips. This is the fun part, using a liquid liner, black liquid liner, and just carve out the veins onto your face. You can do this wherever you want, because in the story the other mother became shattered, so you guys can just carve out wherever you want. Be creative. Add a button. Here I'm using a lash glue to stick the button onto my eyes. Be careful with it, because you might pull out some hairs if you put it wrongly. And you're done. You can create this look under 5 minutes because it is so easy. So let me know in the comment section below what look you want to see next from me. Bye. For those who celebrate Halloween, happy Halloween, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to your friends. Bye. See you guys soon.